The next part of our pipeline involves building a summary of what we want to report. We've already seen most of the tools that are used here. We will thus simply illustrate them with a few examples which I invite you to try out as a refresher.
Let's go to the usual place we find data, the directory user share dict. You may remember that this is where dictionaries are stored. The first command we used in this course to summarize data is word count. This counts a dataset's records. Here, I run wc-l on words to count its entries. We see that there are about 200,000 words. A second summarization process we examined is a sort unique sort again pipeline. Let's use it to find the dictionary's most common initial character. First, I cut all words' first character. Then, I sort them and pipe them to unique -c to count each character's occurrences. Next, I sort the occurrences numerically in an ascending order through the -n option. Finally, to summarize, I obtain the last record of the output list using the tail -1 command. We see that the most frequent initial character is S. On the other hand, to find the dictionary's least frequent initial character, I repeat the same pipeline, but instead of tail -1, I specify head -1. As you can see, the least frequent initial character occurrences correspond to 77 Qs. Apart from counting occurrences, the unique command can also be used to remove a dataset's duplicate entries. For instance, to find the number of unique initial characters, I repeat the cut and sort commands and then pipe the output to unique to remove all duplicates. In the end, I run wc-l on the output list in order to count its elements. We see that there are 52 unique initial characters in words. Furthermore, another summarization command we saw in the course is md5sum. Applying this on a file, we get a strong cryptographic signature representing the file's contents. It's infinitesimally impossible to find two files with the same signature. Thus, it's a convenient way to condense a file's contents into a small representative value.
This concludes our unit on summarizing for reporting. Stay with us.